Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be reviewing the iPhone XS Max leather case. And here's my iPhone, and I chose the white one. So let's open it. It looks really cool. So if you guys are thinking on buying it, I really recommend it. Oh, this is what comes inside the box, just paper. I don't even think it's paperwork. Yeah, it's no paperwork, it's just a picture. And here you go, the case. Oh, that case is really soft too. That's like really soft material inside. And it's real leather. So it's gonna, the thing that everybody likes about leather is how it works out. First put it from the top, and then just push it from both sides and the bottom, and there you guys go. It's really slim. The buttons, if you can see the buttons, they're different color. They're like a little bit more glowy, or right here it's matte, but it's glowing in person. And the case is like really slippery when you first get it. It like slips really easily, and it's not really good for like drops and everything. This just to be classy. If you want a case like this, and it's like really slippery too. Like it's not getting the bump right here. It's getting most of the glass on my screen protector. So yeah, it's not that protective, this one. So see the lip, this is the lip. It's not that up, and the mute switch controls really easily. The volume up, down, it's really responsive. Here you guys go, how it sounds. So it responds really good. And what I think about this case is it looks really cool, classy, and I really recommend it for people who want like business people or like regular people too, but like it's more for business people. It looks really good. And I have another case here. I never reviewed it. It's this one, the Apple case with charging, the smart one. This one is, I'll go with this one instead than this one, because this one charges your iPhone and it's really like good. And I like the color of this one because it's a little bit more black, and I like the Apple logo. It's gray. You cannot see the Apple logo if like in the sun, like here you cannot see it in the dark. And this one you can. It pops more. And the camera, it's like almost flush, so it won't scratch the camera. That's the good thing. This one has the speaker hose on the bottom. It has the battery charger for the pack back here, and this is down here. So yeah, it's depending on which one you guys want. I'm going for this one, and this one for like classy. But I'm gonna use this one more because the battery on the iPhone runs out really fast. So I'm going for this one. This is the packaging for this one. You just open it like this and then push it back. And for the other one, for this one, you have to take, there was a little thing right here. That means it's new. If it's open, there was this inside. If it's missing this part, it means like it's already used or open. It goes back here. That one comes with paperwork. So yeah guys, this one won't go like, you know how leather goes, it loses color or it changes colors. This one will stay black all the time. That's why I got the black one too, because I was planning on getting the brown one, but I watched the videos on YouTube and they were getting like, what's it called? The color was getting like black. I didn't like the color for the brown one, how it went. So I chose this one and I really like it. It comes with my Apple Watch. So yeah, this is really good case for business people, or if you want it to look classy. This is how it looks from the bottom. Right there. And these are good cases if you like Apple products, but they're a little bit expensive. This one was, I think, $45. I don't remember, but this one was $120. So if you were trying to go on a budget and not waste that much money, go for this one. But if you're like not worrying about your budget, go with this one. This one will make your battery last double, maybe triple sometimes, depending on how much you use your phone. So it's up to you guys. This is the buttons on this one. This is rubber silicone, and this one is leather. I really like this one. It's like really minimalistic, really slim. This one, it's like rubbery. It gets scratched like really fast already. I just opened it and it's already scratched. So yeah, it depends on which one you guys like. And thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys like and subscribe down below. I'll be making more videos soon. Thank you guys for everything. Hope you guys follow and go to my Instagram and follow me there too. Thank you guys for everything. Bye.